Okay, so I thought I'd just do a little video on this. I think I got the Rattling DJI drone remote control syndrome. As you see, have it packed. Really, DJI, y'all couldn't do a better freaking job than that. Never dropped my remote control. Always kept it stored properly, and always took real good care of it, like a baby, pretty much. A $1,300 baby. Now I couldn't put it together better than this, so I guess my drone is going to be down until DJI fixes this, because as you clearly see, take it. It's to my directional pad. Yeah, definitely not good. Don't think I'm going to risk that, so definitely going to get it fixed.